I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about this 5-minute scripting series in 5 minutes. I'm making a new series of Roblox game development tutorials about Lua scripting. Each video will be under 5 minutes, as the name implies. There are some stuff I'm going to assume you already know, like very basic math like addition, subtraction, whatever, and division. I'm going to assume you know how to download Roblox Studio and the very basics of playing Roblox, like I'm assuming you have played Roblox before. If you really want me to make a video about downloading Roblox, I guess I can do that easily in less than 5 minutes. But I think you guys got this. And I'm assuming also you have a laptop or a desktop because you need that for Roblox Studio. Some things I want to say. The main focus of this course is scripting, but I will show you some of the other stuff along the way, but the focus will be on scripting. We won't actually script until video number 5 because I want to get some of the things out of the way to make sure we're all on the same page. But you can just, I guess if you really want to, you can skip to that or maybe just watch the other videos. Maybe you'll learn something, you know? I have 60 videos that I made and they're all less than 5 minutes. So if you do the math, not including this one, the other 60 videos should take you less than 5 hours to complete the whole series. And there are projects every once in a while in the series, and I'll try to my best to make them involve like everything we covered in the previous sections. This series builds on top of each other, like you'll need the stuff you learned earlier to progress in the later parts. As of right now, I have 30 videos in the beginner and what I consider the beginner section, then 31 to 44 is going to be the intermediate section, and then 45 to 60 is the advanced section, but that doesn't really mean anything. I just thought it'd be nice to separate it like that. Why did I do this? Well, I wanted to do a series, and honestly, this is my first one, and 5 minutes. First of all, it'd be easy for me, which I need something easy to do because I've never done a series like this. So it's a good place for me to start. And also, I feel like people think scripting is harder than it is. I'm hoping I can show you it's not if I could clearly explain many concepts in less than 5 minutes each, you know? And third reason, there's many people that want to like become a game developer or whatever. And all the information is out there on the internet if you go look for it. But a big problem is discipline and motivation. I think you should start off with like the baby steps that you can handle and then you can go on. Like it's scary to jump into like a 30-minute video explaining a concept or an hour video. Maybe all your discipline allows you to do is 5 minutes at a time. If that's the case, I want you to be able to have something you can watch, you know? Maybe you could only handle 5 minutes a day, and I think that's great. If you only do 5 minutes a day, I mean, it's not ideal, but I think it's something the majority of people can handle. If you just do this series for 5 minutes a day and you know like nothing about scripting, it'll take you from knowing nothing to being able to handle pretty much anything in just 2 months or 60 days. This series isn't going to teach you everything, obviously, but it will definitely take you from knowing like nothing about scripting to make you comfortable with it. My goal is by at the end of the series, you'll know enough that you could easily jump into any other subject. Now you know, oh, I see this takes in a value. I know how to instance it. I know how to, you can put together the dot. How do I think you should go about doing this course? Well, you can do whatever you want, obviously, but if it was me taking this course, I would, after each video, I would do 1 to 3, preferably 3 projects on my own using what was covered in that video, even if it's simple. The more things you involve of what we learned in the past videos, the better. Like we just watched a video about printing. Well, even if it's simple, like print a few things, make your own little projects, you know, come up with your own idea and try to do it. Even if it's simple. I know it might not be possible for the first few videos because the subjects are too simple, but maybe after like printing, you can go from there. But again, you can do whatever you want. I'm not your mom.